In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record your PowerPoint presentation with ease, using the built-in features that Microsoft PowerPoint offers. This is a great way to create engaging presentations with voice narrations and transformations. Whether you're preparing for a virtual meeting or crafting an instructional video, recording your presentation can greatly enhance the delivery of your message. Let's start by launching your PowerPoint presentation file. Ensure you have your slides ready and set up in the order you would like to present them. This is the foundation for everything we'll be doing today. If you haven't already created a PowerPoint file, take a moment to draft your slides. Make sure to include all the key points you intend to cover in your presentation. Once your slides are ready, we'll head over to the Record tab. This tab is typically found on the top navigation bar of PowerPoint. If you don't see it at first glance, make sure your PowerPoint version supports this feature, as some older editions may not include it. The Record tab offers several options that help you customize the recording experience, including setting up your microphone, adjusting audio levels, and deciding whether to include video of yourself as part of the presentation. Now, with the Record tab open, you'll notice the Record button prominently displayed. Clicking this button opens up a recording window where you can begin capturing your presentation. When you're ready to start your narration, click the Record button. You're now recording, so take a deep breath and start speaking clearly into your microphone. As you present, you can navigate through your slides just as you would in a live presentation. PowerPoint will sync your voice with each slide, allowing viewers to follow along seamlessly. If you make a mistake or need to pause, you can stop the recording and start over, or continue from where you left off. This flexibility ensures that your final product is polished and professional. Once you've finished recording, take a moment to review your presentation. Play it back within PowerPoint to ensure that the audio is clear and synced properly with your slides. If you're satisfied, you can save the file and export it as a video if needed, ensuring that your recorded presentation reaches your intended audience exactly as planned. And that's it. You've successfully recorded a PowerPoint presentation with voice narration. This intuitive feature helps bring your presentations to life, transforming static slides into captivating dynamic stories. Practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to do a few trial runs until you master this technique. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps streamline your presentation process. Happy recording!